chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said, don't touch. Coruscant or Endor. Left engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Coruscant. Let's head out. Buckle up. Make the jump to light speed. Watch out for those power couplings. Nice catch, kid.
Welcome back. Any crates?
We're a little busy, Hondo.
Of course, no problem. After all, we are splitting the bounty credits.
Grogu and I will hand over the Imperial officer to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
Welcome back, recruits. Discuss your cargo next year right this way.